is going to be a quick, and it's got to be a quick because I've already filmed this twice and it's like half an hour long update video, Happy New Year sort of thing. So, welcome to 2018 with the Focus and all. Some of you are aware, so I had a little something. Me and a pothole had a disagreement and completely and utterly fucked the Focus. And I mean like royally completely fucked it. Like 4-figured sum to fix it, but it wasn't a write-off, so we're okay. So now, mechanically, I have spent more on the Focus than I had the Chevy. Because cosmetically I'd spent $560 on it. But now I've spent 4 figures because I spent 4 figures to fix it. So I spent a 4-figured sum fixing the Focus. Can we just also bear in mind that to fix the Focus for a 4-figured sum, right? Just over £1,000, might I just put out there, just over £1,000, 1,200, right? To fix it from hitting a pothole, right? And then obviously curbing it. I was very lucky, however, because I didn't hit the like 6 metal traffic lights post, traffic signals, crossings, didn't hit any metal. I hit the curb, because the curb was higher, it saved me from hitting the metal. I was about 3 inches from hitting some metal, so thankfully I didn't. Otherwise it definitely would have been a write-off, and maybe I would have been so lucky. But yeah, 4-figured sum, it was 1,200 to fix. But just to add, I don't pay for labour when I get my car fixed at the minute. I pay parts. So it's quite a lot of work to be done, that much. I cannot honestly remember what it had done. I know it had steering rack, drop links, wishbones, clutch, brakes, whatever, but it was over £1,000 anyway. So now I've spent loads on it and it's running fine. I just need to put on my wheel arch liner, because I bought it and I've just not had time to do it. It's only been 6 weeks since it happened, like. I'm going to try and get a compilation out for February. Not going to say when in February because I'm not going to promise a date, because it's not going to happen. So if we just say sometime in February, that's better. So February is going to be a compilation, and then I've got to try and get my fucking shit together, because I've got to sort the year out. We'll sit at 20 then. We'll sit at the speed limit because you're being a prick. I've got to try and give my head a wobble and sort out videos and shit, because summer, fair enough, I've got time to do a few videos and edits and shit, besides working 6 days a week. But from September onwards, I'm not going to be in the country for very long. September, I think I'm in the country for like 6 days. I think that's it. And then October onwards is busy with work, because Christmas is busiest time of year. We're working in the animal world I work in. And I think that's practically it. So, Happy New Year. Focus is staying. I've had it a year on the 18th of January, which, achievement in itself. So yeah, I'll see you whenever. Bye.